Hi guys, Ryan with Triple V here. We're gonna have another unboxing today to do with some more figurines. So we'll get right into that. So we have our first box here. Get that open. Ooh. Alright. Well, that's a big box. Let's see what we got inside. Alright guys, so everything that we're going to be pulling out of these boxes today is going to be in our live sale this Sunday, 2 p.m. Eastern. That is this upcoming Sunday. Now we have some Jim Shore figurines in here. There was only 2 different ones, but we had 10 of one and 4 of the other. They do come in the boxes, so what I'm doing is just getting them out of the box, ready to show. So first up we have this Jim Shore Kitty Witch sitting on the pumpkin. Right there, holding the broomstick. So that is the first piece. And then coming up next we have the crow. Has some designs on the wings. I have a little cemetery picture there. And that is the second piece. So that was the only thing that we had in that box. We're going to get up into the next box. Which is huge. All right, so this is the second box. Definitely a lot bigger. We're going to get this open. And maybe. There we go. All right, let's see here. There we go. There we go. All right, so we got this second box open. Oh, a whole lot of figurines in there. So we're gonna get these out, separate them, and then we'll show you what we got. All right, guys. So we got that second box open. Definitely a lot of interesting figurines that we have here. So first one up that we're gonna show is Big Bear, the walking stick. Fishing pole, little cub in the back, some fishies down there. What do you think we should name this guy? Leave a comment down below what you think his name should be. We have the bear cub with the fishies. All right. Up next, we have a whale on some type of reef. It does light up, has the LED on the inside. Whale reef piece there. I wonder if it's Free Willy or not. All right, up next we have a turtle, a tortoise, another LED light up piece, figurine. Like I said, these are always definitely interesting if you do any type of YouTube videos or streaming yourself. Always nice to have those in the background as well. All right, up next we have little Froggy serving some wine and bread. He's got his little apron on, serving some wine. And there he is. All right, then we have an elephant taking a selfie. Cute figurine there. He's got the cell phone, holding up the little peace sign. Taking that selfie. If you take a selfie like this, leave a like.
Kind of looks like Dumbo.
Definitely has that Dumbo look. Yep, has the big ears. Nice cute figurine there. Alright, now we have some heart frogs. We have Froggy laying on its side with a heart in his hand. Nice Valentine's Day piece or something like that. Cute Froggy with a heart. Then we have another one. This one he's standing up with his arms out, heart in his hand. So definitely a Valentine's Day piece would be wonderful for. Then we have him as well. All right, now we have some yoga frogs. finding their peace, love, their center. Yoga frog. Not sure what pose that is. If you know, let me know down in the comments. Said not exactly sure what that pose is, but that yoga frog. We have a littler version. Got some styrofoam stuck to him there. Doing that same pose. Like I said, smaller. Little frog yoga. And we have this one. Different pose. Smaller like the other one. The yoga frogs. Alright, now we have some fairy pieces. So we have this fairy laying down, butterfly in her hand. Definitely a cool design with the wings. Feet crossed. Some mushrooms down there as well. Nice little scenery piece there.
Let me see her face.
Have the face. Definitely a nice fairy piece there. Right, up next we have another fairy. She is sitting on a mushroom. So rocks down low, mushrooms, holding a crystal ball. Some more styrofoam there. A little dragon sitting next to her. Kind of looks like he's a little playful. And we have like the butterfly wings, leaf wings on her. Definitely a nice fairy piece. All right, up next we have some giraffe pieces. We have a standing giraffe right there. Definitely a lot of detail through the body. Cute giraffe there. Then another one laying down. Another giraffe piece. So guys, this is all going to be in the live sale this Sunday at 2 p.m. on YouTube. That is 2 p.m. Eastern time. Alright, up next we have some wind chimes. Ooh, that's a little backwards. We have an owl sitting on a branch. There are the chimes down low. There's the crystal balls down there. Mr. Owly. How many licks does it take to get to the center of the lollipop owl wind chime? Alright. A little tangled up here. I think I got it. Alright, up next we have a cardinal one. There's a little rhinestones in the center there. Another wind chime. Cute little cardinal up top. Alright, and then last for the wind chimes, we have a little tanglage again. Let's get this unwrapped. There we go. We have Mr. Bumblebee. Bumblebee, again, with some rhinestones in it. Crystal balls there. And like I said, we have the little Mr. Bumblebee wind chime. All right, and then two more pieces that we have. We have a St. John Paul movable staff. Crucifix. So we have that St. John Paul figurine there. Definitely a bigger piece as well.
Yeah, doesn't even all fit.
Nope. So that is definitely a bigger piece there. And they have another St. John Paul the second as well. He has
Rosary.
the rosary on him right there.
Or the cross.
The cross. And that is another St. John Paul II piece. So that is everything that was in that box. Like I said, guys, again, this is going to be on our live sale this Sunday, 2 p.m. Eastern. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. Leave a like, leave a comment. Definitely appreciate it. Hope to see you guys this Sunday, 2 p.m. Eastern. Have a wonderful night.